Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone, grade 6. I'm recording this video to show you how to format your text in the report. How to do like any kind of format in the report. So I want to format this text. Let me name it game report. By the way, this is homework, part of homework, not the homework, the whole homework. Page 81. Just in case you missed something, I write the page number for you and then reminding you that this is homework page 81. I highlight my text normally the same way that I format my text for in the any kind of thing, anything that's related to Microsoft Office, Word, document, Excel database, anything. Go to Home tab and you can format your text. You can make it bold. You can change the text color. You can centerize it. You can add underline. So I can also change the font type. It's already header type, so it's done automatically, but I can make it Arial, no problem. So that's it. Text alignment, font size, font color, and these are shading, background color. Like I add a background. This is very nice when I background it. So that's it. And in the homework page 81, they ask you to change the look of the report, like adding a class title, class text box. You have to follow these instructions, which is mentioned in the page 81. Font size, bold, underline, alignment. He asks you to delete the course title. I can delete anything normally grade 6. Like I want to delete this label example. I just highlight it and then I can delete it from my keyboard. I just press delete. Make sure everything that you save it. Right click save. Right click save. Everything you did, right click save, right click close. Okay, this is report. These are form, query, and tables that we work with. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, let me know in the comments.